Are implant overdentures better than regular dentures? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Heath Coleman from Secure Dentures Implants here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today we're diving into an important topic for those considering tooth replacement options: implant overdentures. What are they? What benefits do they offer? And how do they compare to regular dentures? Let's get started. First, let's define implant overdentures. These are removable dentures that attach securely to dental implants placed in your jawbone. Unlike traditional dentures that rest on the gums, implant overdentures provide a more stable and comfortable fit thanks to the support from the dental implants. One of the biggest benefits of implant overdentures is enhanced stability. Because they're anchored to dental implants, they won't shift or slip while you eat or speak. This stability allows you to enjoy your favorite foods without worry. Another significant advantage is improved comfort. Implant overdentures eliminate the discomfort often associated with traditional dentures, which can irritate the gums. The implants help distribute biting forces evenly, reducing pressure on your gums. Let's talk about functionality. With implant overdentures, you'll experience better chewing efficiency. They provide the stability you need for biting into foods, making your dining experience much more enjoyable. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional dentures. Another crucial benefit is jaw preservation. When teeth are missing, the jawbone can start to deteriorate over time. The implants used in overdentures stimulate the jawbone, helping to maintain its structure and prevent bone loss. This is something traditional dentures can't offer. Let's not forget about the aesthetics. Implant overdentures are designed to look like natural teeth. This can significantly enhance your smile and boost your confidence, making it easier to socialize and engage with others. Now, you may be wondering, are implant overdentures better than regular dentures? While both options can restore your smile, implant overdentures typically offer more benefits, particularly in terms of stability, comfort, and functionality. Traditional dentures can shift, requiring adhesives and may cause gum irritation, whereas implant overdentures provide a secure fit and reduce these issues. So, who is a good candidate for implant overdentures? Ideal candidates are those who have lost most of their teeth and have sufficient bone density to support implants. If you've experienced some bone loss, don't worry. We can explore options like bone grafting to prepare your jaw. In conclusion, implant overdentures offer numerous benefits over traditional dentures, including enhanced stability, improved comfort, better functionality, and jaw preservation. If you're considering this option, I encourage you to schedule a consultation at one of our Secure Dentures and Implant locations in Broken Arrow, Owasso, or Tulsa to discuss your specific needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more dental tips and insights. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.